Hare Krishna. Today, the word common between the sloka and the joke is the word complete. The speciality of the commonality is that always in the joke, the word has a different connotation, and in the sloka, it is written entirely different connotation. Because Krishna did 5,002 years back, 200 years back, and we are doing it now. So the difference is bound to be there. It's also there in the way of looking at things. We are looking at from the humorous point of view, whereas Krishna was very serious because he had to change the mentality of Arjuna from no fight to fight. Now let us see the joke. In the joke, Mrs. Govind was talking about the fight in their ladies' club. She said, in the ladies' club, we are going to fight. That ladies should get men's salary. Then this Chandu was standing nearby. Though he is not grasping in the studies, he is grasping all these external matters very promptly. He said, what is this, mummy? Every month you are getting daddy's salary fully. What do you want more? You are already getting men's salary. So this is a new revelation for her. She was talking about equality of salary between men and women. But this fellow is telling from another angle, which is also true. Now, we will see what the sloka says. That is, today's sloka is chapter 5, sloka 17.
तद्बुद्धयस्तदात्मानस्तन्निष्ठास्तत्परायणाः गच्छन्त्य पुनरावृत्तिं ज्ञाननिर्धूतकल्मषाः.
Krishna's declaration in this sloka is, when a person's intelligence, faith and his mental refuge surrendering to somebody here, Krishna only, all are converged towards the Supreme, Krishna, then he becomes fully cleansed of all misunderstandings. And that is because of the complete knowledge he gains in the process. There is no stoppage. He proceeds straight in the path of liberation. Now, practically when we see, Krishna says this as a sure, short way to reach him in the end. We have to take cue and take advantage. In fact, there are many scriptures which say that human birth is very rare and must be used for eliminating further birth, death. There is also old age, disease. This is repeated ad infinitum. There is no stoppage. So, we must put an end to this practice or this cycle. Then we have to listen to the Gita slokas and do what the slokas say. Now, before completion of this episode, the gem point about Krishna. The sloka, what he says, in the strictest sense is not new, because this is one of the many methods which Krishna has given us to achieve the Supreme, achieve Krishna, achieve liberation. And all these are told by Krishna himself in this Gita itself. So, we have to simply accumulate, read, reread and practice. Hare Krishna.